You don't laugh, you'll cry. Isn't that right, Robert? Right, so we're stripping out this Victolic. It unbolts pretty easily. We were told it was drained down, but as per usual, it's not. So we're going to start by draining down each leg as we go. Luckily, these are quarter-turn drain valves, so they're not blocked, which is nice. There you go, get all the water out. Now we can start unbolting it. As you can see, it unbolts pretty easily, comes apart nicely. It's just pretty heavy. Just take your time, no rush.